Alright everybody, what's up? This is Joshua Maitland here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at something that I will be using for my future YouTube videos. Yes, this is a wireless lavalier microphone from Snazzy Yang. Great company name, eh? Now, I have bought this from Amazon and I've never got a chance to be using it until now. So, let's open this thing up and yeah. Oh, and this is the USB thingy, by the way, in case if you're wondering. Now, the reason I want to have the lavalier microphone is because oh, if I can get this off. So yeah, the reason is that I can sometimes move away from the phone's microphone, and yeah. And also I'm having some editing troubles when I'm when you can hear me on the either on the only on the right side or on the left side. And yeah, and I have to take actions by just changing the audio channels. My word, it's just so hard. Right, let me get some scissors. There we go. There, that's all out. Right then, so I think I should probably slide this. Oh, there it goes. Right, so there is a user manual, and this is the microphone itself with a receiver and a USB for charging, more like. And yeah. Now, I'm not quite. Oh yes, and there is a power switch you can turn on and off the microphone. Now, let's see if this has been charged up. If not, then I will have to charge it up. First time using this. I probably might need to charge this up, unless if I can read the user manual. Ah yes, so I need to connect that receiver to my phone. So let me do just that. Right, I've tried connecting the receiver on my phone to my phone USB port, and I've tried turning it on whilst this has been connected. It looks like I probably will have to charge it up after all. So let me do just that. Oh, look! Not only it's got the USB Titan cable, but it also came with other accessories such as a spare ring sock and a storage bag. Very handy. And this is my BB accessories box, because I thought must be the USB inside this box, but turns out it's got like a storage bag and a spare ring sock, like I said. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this thing up. No, this thing up rather. And yeah. So let me do just that. So as you can see, that is obviously now charging according to the LED light. Now, I'll probably will come back to this within like an hour's time. Well, actually, maybe just something like 10 to 45 minutes. Yes, I think I should probably do just that. I'm gonna lay charge for like probably about 20 minutes and then I'll come back to it. And whilst this is all charged up, this is the second time that I've bought the lavalier microphone from Amazon, because the first one that I have got right here, the quality of this microphone is totally rubbish. And I've done a test recording on this, so have a listen. This is a normal test recording. And this is the reverb mode. Now back to normal recording. Right, so obviously I'm ready to test this microphone now. So I'm gonna put this onto my T-shirt and do a microphone test, which you'll see in this next thingy, whatever. So let me do just that. Right, so as you can probably tell by this green light, that means it's obviously active. And I'm recording this with an external microphone now. A transmitter more like. And as you can probably tell, it does fit perfectly, very well there on the t-shirt. Well, I'm actually quite surprised. In that, I kind of like this microphone. I should probably use it for my future YouTube videos. So, yeah. And it's gonna make my editing a bit easier. So, yeah. And I think that was a success. And, this is gonna be the worst microphone ever. Well, not really. But I just wanted to have something better, and that's why I just chose the Snazzy Yang. I think that's how I say the company name, but if I don't, then I do apologize. So, yeah, that was the overview and microphone test of this wireless lavalier microphone from Snazzy Yang. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. So anyways, I'm going to end this video right there. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications to get notified when I upload new videos onto my channel. And yeah, so thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Hopefully I can make new videos with this microphone, but yeah. I mean, I kind of liked it. But anyway, but still. So, until then guys, bye bye for now.